winners! Today, we proudly explain how OPO investors achieved 216% profit in 14 months with the Steel Authority of India Limited stock. The Steel Authority of India Limited is the India's largest steel producer company. We recommended buying this stock on 5th August 2020 at 9:45 am, and the suggested price was near or below rupees 36 and rupees 30. We had mentioned the target price between 45 to 105 Indian rupees. We have achieved all the targets successfully and now obtaining a price of rupees 113 and 20 paise. We acquired it under our suggested time 9:56 am of 29 September 2021. Be a part of these kinds of achievements and you can join our premium services and know the manner of the successes in the stock market. Go with the given link below in the description box. To experience some more relatable recommendation videos, you can subscribe to our Only Profit You Academy channel and stay updated always. Would you please share our videos with those interested in investing or trading in the stock market? It can be a game changer for them.